Hey guys, finally he sleeps. Today we got our hands on a pop rivet gun made by HARDELL, and I'm kind of excited to check this out to see how well this is going to work in the shop. We actually our rivet gun that it's a tool that doesn't get used a lot in working on the cars, other than some body work here and there. But when it does get used, it's one of those things that you just grab it, and if it's not working or you have problems or some busted mandrels or whatever it is, it's a very frustrating thing because there isn't a lot of options to go about using instead of the rivet gun. So we're going to open this up and check this out today. The sticker open. All right, so here is the rivet gun. As far as the gun goes, the quality on this is pretty high. It is substantial. This has got some weight to it. It does mechanically, it feels strong. It has, let's see, a total of 5 mandrels. There's one in here, one mandrel in, and an additional 4 mandrels that are actually mounted here inside. That there's like a nice little, oh, it's a rubberized plate, so I can actually I think I can take this out. Yeah, so that holds it in place here so you don't lose your mandrels. This is nice. This is for waste as you pop the rivets through. I don't know, quality wise, I'm happy with this. This is actually nicer than the rivet gun that we're replacing. So we'll show you how this thing works and test it out to see exactly if it works as good as it looks. So we've got the rivet gun out here. We're going to go ahead and test it out. I've went ahead and swapped out the rivet to 1/8 inch. So I've got an 1/8 inch setup here and some 1/8 inch rivets. Now the way this works is you slip it into the end, you open it all the way up, and when you close it, I'll show you what it does. It pulls it down and pops that out, and this stays in the metal, and then the trash, it's the waste pocket, and it stays in the bottom. So what we're gonna do is drill a couple of holes here in the metal, and then we'll pop rivet these two pieces together and show you how it looks. There it is. That's all the rivet gun does, but there we have 2 pieces of metal completely attached. I like the gun, the way it works. It's pretty solid. I like the waste container here that holds the wires so they're not all over the garage floor. I'm pretty happy with this. This is actually much nicer than our last rivet gun here at the shop. HARDELL double-armed pop rivet gun. We are really happy with this, and this will get some use around the shop. Again, this is just one of those tools that it only comes out when it's necessary. It's not something we use every day, but when you do need one and you go to grab it and you realize, I forgot we broke that last spring, it's frustrating. So it works as good as it looks, and the construction is fantastic. Highly recommended. If This helped. Make sure you subscribe here on the channel, turn on notifications so you never miss when a video goes live. I'm Finally He Sleeps. As long as you guys keep showing up, I'll keep making videos.
Finally he sleeps, finally he dreams in a